Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Claude has launched a program where they are accepting invitations to actually provide you with 6 months of Claude Max for totally free. And they are taking these applications. You need to fill out this form, first name, last name, email address, and then you need to select the repository from your GitHub account. So if you're interested in getting the Claude Max, which is their most expensive plan, so it's actually offer of worth $1,200. So if they accept your invitation, they will be giving you the 6 months of Claude Max, which is the most premium model of Claude. So this is an open source program that they have launched. I've given the link in the description of the video, so you can go to this link. So once you land on this link, they have tell you that thank you for everything you shipped, 6 months of Claude Max on us. So this is mainly for people who contribute on GitHub. They have their own GitHub account. They contribute to other people projects. So for this, a mandatory requirement is that you should have a GitHub account. Without GitHub account, you can't fill out this form. So once you come to this form, you fill out the first name, last name, then your valid email address, and right here from your GitHub account. So just need to authorize the GitHub account from here, and then automatically you need to select one repository, whichever repository you can select here, whichever has got the maximum number of stars. So from this drop down you can select whichever repository that you want, and then you specify, tell us about the project reach and impact, download numbers, everything. So whatever is your download numbers in the GitHub account, you need to mention it. So clearly mention in more words. After that, how will you use this subscription for your project? So now you need to mention why are you using Claude Max. So you need to tell it clearly. You need not have to write short answer. You need to write a long answer. Why would you use Claude Max? So simply write a long answer, and if you have other info, you can provide it, and then click the submit button. So under 24 to 48 hours, they will either reject or accept your invitation. And once they accept, you will get 6 months of Claude Max for totally free. And if I show you the Claude Max, you will get all these things, which is the Fable 5, which is actually the premium model Opus 5. You will get all these two models for totally free. And if I show you the pricing model, so this is the most expensive plan here, Claude Max, as you see it, starting from 1200 rupees, which is roughly $1,200 per year. So they are giving you 6 months of Claude Max, which includes 20x more usage than Pro. You come up with Claude Code, Co-work, early access to advanced Claude features, higher output limits, priority access. So everything you will get, just come to this link. And if you have a GitHub account, which the one requirement that I forgot to tell you, you should have a GitHub account, and make sure that whichever repository you have, you should be having 7, 10 to 20 stars, and you should have actually participated in other people projects as well. So let's suppose you should have contributed to other people projects. So you should be a contributor to other people open source projects. So this is one requirement which is there. Without this, you can't fill out the form. So you should have at least participated in other people projects like forked it or contributed and improved the other people projects. So that is the sole requirement on filling out this form. So definitely check this out. It's a great offer. They are accepting invitations, so they will not be accepting invitations all the time. So this is the time. Definitely go to this link and start filling out this form, and you will be the lucky person. If they accept it, you will get 6 months of Claude Max for totally free. So definitely check this out.